Well, I'm really excited to be bringing to you today the Plaud Note. Now, why I'm so excited is I do lots of phone calls, lots of meetings, and also have lots of ideas. And it's very challenging for me to be able to actually get those down into writing so I can actually use them later. But it's also very hard for me to actually find ways to actually recall it. Now, the great thing with the Plaud Note is it is fantastic. So it enables you to actually have a voice recorder, sit to the back of your phone, that can record all your meetings, all your calls, and uses AI to actually seamlessly turn it into a transcript or turn it into notes or even a mind map that you can use to actually then, go and record later or add to your notes. It really is brilliant. Now what we're going to do in this video is we're actually going to unbox the Plaud Note so you can see what comes in it. We're going to go and test it out so you can see what happens. Let's go and have a look at it now actually while we talk about it. So as you can see, there's the box there, really great quality. And we just basically open it up here like this and pull it out. So we take it out there, and there's a Plaud Note just there, if you can see in the camera. Now the great thing with a Plaud Note is how small it is. So there it is just there, as you can see. Now look how thin it is. It is absolutely incredible. Now the Plaud Note itself allows for 30 hours of continuous recording with a 64 gig memory in it as well. Now it also allows 480 hours of storage capacity, and it really is tiny. And I mean, it literally weighs like air. It is absolutely perfect. Now with the Plaud Note as well, all you do is you go and attach it to the back of your phone, like so, with a mag clip, and there you are. So you can set it to automatically record your phone calls. You can set it to, it's got all these different features which allow you to do it. But you know what? Rather than going about it too much just now, we're going to go and jump in and do a review of the Plaud Note. So we're going to do an unboxing to show you how it comes. We're going to go and test out the features of it, but you're going to go and see that the voice recording powered with the AI software through ChatGPT is absolutely brilliant. And what it can do in regards to recording meetings, recording phone calls, it makes it so easy for you to be able to now, be efficient. Now, whether you're a business owner like myself, a teacher, a lecturer, a person that thinks on the go, the Plaud Note is perfect for you. So this is on Kickstarter at the moment. There's a discount now if you purchase in the link below. You get a discount from it. But make sure you also like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know what you think of the Plaud Note. Well, let's jump in and have a look at now at MrYouWho. Okay, to start with, let's go and look at what comes in the Plaud Note box. So as you can see, the box has a very, very lovely presentation there. You can see the Plaud Note there, as well as the details on the back regards to it. So if we open it up now and take a look. So again, like we did before, we open it up and take a look at the Plaud Note. So there you go. So you can see it's just there. So there is the Plaud Note. So essentially allows you to record phone calls by pressing a button. Turn a button down allows you to record normal recordings. But to actually activate it, you hold down that button there. It starts the recording, and hold it down to stop the recording as well. Very, very straightforward. Doesn't take much at all to do. And here's the box as well. So if you can see here, we open this up and you've got the mag case here. So the mag case, this is what actually sticks to the back of your iPhone. So it's iPhone at the moment, but it will be on Android shortly. And essentially you put your Plaud Note in there and put it to the back of your phone, like so. That easy to use. And again, because it's so light, again, it's incredible. You could put it anywhere if you wanted to. So you don't always have to have it on your phone necessarily, but your phone does pair with the app as well. So bearing in mind of that. But yeah, it works really, really well. So if we do that now, we put that in there like so, pop it in, then we go and grab it, put the back of the phone, and there it goes. It sticks to the back, see, just like that, and you can start using it. So, I think that is, absolutely incredible. And also, what does it come with? So let's have a look at the box and open it up. So we also got the, in here you've got the charging cable as well. So it does charge again. You won't need to charge this very often because the actual battery life is really, really good in it. But there you've got the cable as well. So let's take a look at how to download the app. Now, as you can see, here's the Plaud Note just here. Now, what the Plaud Note does is you download the app, literally press Bluetooth, connect to your phone, and it connects automatically. So as you can see on the screen here, you've got all the different Plaud Note settings. So it's connected at the moment. It's got recordable duration now, 11.1 hours, as you can see there. Now here you can actually change the scene. So you can choose whether you want to choose mic gain. You can have the mic a lot more sensitive. You can use voice activator recording as well. So when a call comes in, it starts recording straight away, which I'm going to keep on here. It also has recording indicator, but as you can see, you can go and set all the different settings on here to do it. Now, the great thing with this is it does have noise cancelling in place. So when you're actually recording it, you can actually use it. But as you can see, there is the Plaud Note. So you can set all the different settings on there, but it connects automatically. So let's go and do an example now. So what I want to do now is show you what it's like actually recording it using a Plaud Note. So I'm going to go and press the back of it and turn it to for normal recording. And we're going to go and hold this down now. And we're going to hold down the bottom here and hold it down and wait till it goes beep. There it is. So now it's recording. So as you can see, it's recording at the moment. So I'm going to go and do a discussion and we'll see how it does the notes. So let's talk about the Plaud Note. So the Plaud Note, which I'm reviewing today, is a fantastic device used with ChatGPT to take your voice recordings and not only record them with crystal clear sound, but enable you to actually go and transcribe them using ChatGPT to save as meeting notes later, to save as mind maps. It works really, really well, and it's a great thing you can use. So let me go and stop this recording now and see what happens. So we hold down that button, stops recording, as you can see. It saves it there too. And let's go and have a look at what it does. So let's go and press play, and you can hear it. So there it is. So now it's recording. So as you can see, it's recording at the moment. So I'm going to go and do a discussion and we'll see how it does the notes. So let's talk about the Plaud Note. So the Plaud Note, which I'm reviewing today, is a fantastic device used. The sound is crystal clear as well. Now, if you look at the transcription service as well, so as you can see there, which is in the screen just here, it really does tailor it for you so you can see what's going on. As you can see, it's really well laid out. If we go and look at the recording of the Plaud Note, you see there, it's given a bit of a summary about what was discussed, but you can go and change it to have, for example, meeting notes to give a summary of what happened in the meeting. Again, this is using ChatGPT to use AI to give you the information on here, which is perfect. So there you go. It's meeting the speaker uses a device called Plaud Note, which is being reviewed. Again, we could change the spelling, but it kind of goes through, as you can see there. It gives a really good summary of the discussion you had. You know, it's really... So let's go and use a recording now of the Plaud Note, but let's go and have some music in the background, and we'll see how well it picks up my voice. So hold down the button again to start the recording. Again, you can see the recording light comes on just there as well, so it started to record. Okay, so now I'm going to go and do the voice recording by talking about MrYouWho. Now, MrYouWho is a channel started by myself over 3.5 years ago, and it's really going very well. So we do reviews and unboxings of all different kind of products that you guys like to watch. And I'm going to see now if this sounds good. So let's stop the recording now. Again, holding it down. So stopped, and let's stop this background music, if I can do that. Again, you can see the recording light comes on just there as well, so I started to record. And let's go put some music on in the background and see if we can pick up my voice clearly. Now, MrYouWho is a channel started by myself over 3.5 years ago, and it's really going very well. So we do reviews and unboxings of all different kind of products that you guys like to watch. And I'm going to see now if this sounds good. So as you can see there, it's blocked out the noise in the background, and it's also allowed us to see the transcript. So there you go. So there, MrYouWho channel is contents, channel creator. So it gives a summary there of actually what my channel is, the meeting. Let's go into the meeting notes as well and see what it gives us as well. So as you can see there, it records the voice as well, timestamps, which is really, really good. So it gives a great summary of the conversation you had. And we go into it as well. And you also go into the script. So there you go. So there's a mind map there giving you different details about how it went. As you can see, it's got key points about explaining the recording process, the channel's been successful, etc. It gives the summary, but also gives a summary of the key points of the conversation. Now, say you're in a long meeting as well. So this will actually break up the meeting into different areas so you can actually use it. As you can see, it really is effective. So what I'm going to do now, guys, I'm actually going to do a phone call to show you guys actually how the Plaud Note works when it automatically picks up a call. So when the call comes through, it's actually going to start recording automatically the phone call. So look out for that now. Hello.
Hello.
Oh, hey, Ma, how you going?
I'm good, darling. How are you?
Good, this is perfect time. I'm actually doing a video at the moment of the Plaud Note, which is an AI voice recorder, which I'm using.
Really?
So you're actually being recorded. You're actually being recorded at the moment on it, and you're also on YouTube. So say hi to everyone on YouTube.
Hi everybody. Hope everyone's having a great day.
I think they are, Ma. They're watching me on YouTube, aren't they? So yeah, it's pretty exciting. So so hopefully it's going to record this conversation. They can play it back to the guys, but also generate a transcript using ChatGPT. So it's got a summary of it. So I can also send it through to you.
Wow,
so yeah,
that's very exciting.
It is very exciting. So it also started recording automatically as well. So I won't share the recording of the screen because it's got your number on there. But yeah, it started recording automatically. So so what do I do, Mark? Go back to the video and I'll send it through to you.
Okay.
Okay.
That's wonderful.
Talk to you soon. Love you. Bye.
Have a good day. Love you too.
Bye. Plaud Note actually started recording the conversation automatically while I was talking to my mum, which is fantastic, a perfect time for her to call. Now, if I actually go and have a look at the Plaud Note now, and we can actually hear the video voice recording now.
Hello.
Oh, hey Ma, how you going?
I'm good, darling. How are you?
Good, this is perfect time. I'm actually doing a video at the moment of the Plaud Note, which is an AI voice recorder, which I'm using.
Oh, really?
So you're actually being
That's
recorded.
interesting.
You're actually being recorded at the moment on it, and you're also on YouTube. So say hi to everyone on YouTube. So as you can see there, it automatically started recording the phone call, which I think is absolutely amazing. The thing is, you can actually just sit there taking your phone call. So say you're a telemarketer, or say you're doing business meetings, the Plaud Note can capture each one of those calls for you, but also the transcript. So as you can see on the screen here, you can see the transcript just here. It appears for you. But also if you look at the, if you go back and look at ChatGPT, again, it gives a summary of it. So it tells you about what happened. And again, you've got the diary, you've got the mind map, you've got the meeting notes, all that you can use at the power of your fingertips. So this is quite extraordinary. It actually gives you the ability to be able to record calls as you go. And I think it's amazing. So for me, I do a lot of work on the phones with clients. This blows my mind. And as you can see, diary entry, started a conversation with my mum, and it turned out to be quite an interesting experience. As an educational content creator, I couldn't resist capturing this moment of video using the Plaud Note via the AI recorder. And see there, it goes through about what I did with my mum, how we spoke about it, all done through ChatGPT. It really is incredible. It blows my mind. What more can I say, guys? This is an unbelievable piece of technology. I've had voice recorders in the past, but nothing that actually records with such quality, has such storage space, but enables you to actually take down the notes. You see, when I used to go and do my meetings in the past, to go and take down notes would take forever. It was a nightmare. Plaud Note does it all for you. And using ChatGPT, the notes are great, but I love how it does diary notes, does mind mapping, you know, it does summary of it, all these things that you couldn't do in the past. So if you've got a business, you want to put down ideas, you want to brainstorm, the Plaud Note is perfect. And with the size of this as well, it's exceptional. Now, Kickstarter is saying around $100 for the Plaud Note. Jump on there now to get your pre-interest. They're shipping in September as well, but there's only a limited amount of time to get the discounts. But the guys have really done an exceptional job with the Plaud Note, and it's something I'll be using ongoing for a long time to come.